number of different ways to configure your MyScreen and your home screen on your new Cayenne. Select the button you would like to move, hold it down, and then select Rearrange. Take that button and drag it to the desired location. Then select Confirm. You can also adjust the main menu items as well through the same process. Hold down the button, select Rearrange, and then drag that new button to the desired location in the main menu. Then select Confirm. You also have the ability to adjust your MyScreen. You can access this by hitting the Home button a second time. Now you can configure MyScreen by selecting the Setup button and then the Configure MyScreen line. On the right-hand side, you can see a number of categories to choose from. Select a category that interests you and drag it to the desired column. If you would like to change the category of one of your columns from a previous category, all you have to do is drag and drop from the Select Category menu. After you've made your selection, hit Confirm. Now you have configured your home screen and your MyScreen in your new Cayenne.